Hello. Oh my god, I just slipped. Okay.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me on.
You've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. The words to describe this girl without being disrespectful.
Me on some time. Show me.
Hey guys.
What's up? Okay. I ended up doing a lot of that literally throughout the video. Like, I'm so sorry guys. Like, I don't even know what's up. Like, I'm just purposely trying to be funny because I can't be funny. Okay, bye. I'm not about this life right now.
Sliding is really shitty, but okay. Hi guys. It's actually been quite a while since the last update, which has been like me just playing around with my camera earlier, but now it's literally, I don't know, like 6 hours later, and my sister's here now and she's a little bit angry, but
Shut up, it's freezing!
it's literally, it feels like it's below zero, but it's like 20 degrees outside.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, but thing is, we're not exactly in Chicago yet. We still got a while to go.
We barely got to Illinois. We're not even
Yeah.
close to Chicago.
Anyway, guys, we're almost there. We got another 3 to 4 hours to go.
3 hours, I'll say 4.
Three, okay. Hopefully 3, okay. 3 hours, let's not
Bye.
jinx it. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. Nova. Oh, okay. Okay, we're still not at the hotel. We're still not even in Chicago. We still got another hour. And I've been taking naps a lot, and it's so cold. Like, when I kid you not, I tried taking my dog to go out there to pee and whatever. Like, I literally opened the door, blown.
I feel you, man. I understand you. Don't come at me like that. I know you.
Like, I couldn't even open the door because of the wind. And look, she's so cold. Oh my gosh, she just licked my freaking glasses. But it's so legitimately cold. Like, I'll show you because there's like wind everywhere. I'll just show you. Look at that. You guys can't hear. Like, look at that. It's like, look at the signs over there. They're bending because of how strong the fucking wind is. It's literally so strong. Anyway, on a brighter note, my sister went to the bathroom. I'm freezing my ass off. The dog went to the bathroom as well. I need to use the restroom, but at the same time, I'm not willing to, like, you know, waste my time and go. I mean, it's not wasting my time. I just don't feel like going right now. And also, guys, like, this is, like, the coldest. Like, I kid you not, Chicago is freezing. It's 20 degrees outside. It feels like it's below zero. I'm not even trying to exaggerate this stuff. Like, I know I'm a, like, over dramatic person, but this is, like, not okay. What the hell? Like, the people are running to just get inside. Like, see them over there? They're just trying to run to get inside because it's that bad. Like, it's not snowing or anything, but it's, like, literally below zero. It feels like it's below zero, but it's not. And I'm just freezing my ass off. My dog is just trying to, like, get out of here so she can run back home because it's that cold.
Why you need to know all up in my boy?
She just looks so disgusted by everything. Anyway, guys, peace out. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hopefully, we don't die. Hopefully, this doesn't turn into into the storm where the fucking car rolls over. Like, that lady just ran to her car and, like, oh my god, her car door just smacked against her as soon as she opened it. Okay, Bye. I don't want to die today. Okay, before I start this, I need to that looks fine. So I'm aware that I'm not the best filmer, but I kind of forgot to show you guys that we arrived.
Hi, this is future Jonathan. No face cam because my mum won't turn down her gospel music, which is triggering. Anyways, truth is that I was just saving you guys from dealing with an extra 3 minutes of boredom from us just laying around the hotel room looking like deflated blow-up dolls. You're welcome.
And we just got breakfast, which is it was actually really good though. So we're about to go to downtown and see the stuff that they have. Hopefully they have good stuff because we did not waste 8 hours, more than 8 hours coming here for nothing. But guys, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm terrible. I don't know how to do crap. So guys, before you guys say anything, I need to point this out. There's a white hair in my hair. There's a white hair. You see that? Sandra, there's a white hair in my hair.
Where?
It's in my hair. Look, check. Check. Just okay.
Where?
Just check. It's at the top. I'm not a vlog. Just check at the top. Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah. It's
Pull
right
it.
there.
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Jesus. Pull it. Okay, oh well, we tried. My hair now hurts. My head hurts. My scalp is ruined now. If it wasn't already ruined. Also, guys, I need to point out something else. I know this part right here is sticking out. I don't care. And see you guys when we get there. Bye. Okay guys, so this is weird doing this in public, but we made it to the city and we're just walking to the pier right now, so see you there. Guys, we're at the most basic thing any person who goes to Chicago can do. It's so basic to just take a mirror selfie with it, and you can also go inside of it too. So let's try that. I want to die from doing this. I want to go home. Okay, we're back, and I always say we're back, but we never left to begin with. I don't know, but we're here. I'll probably list something that shows what it is. But guys, we just finished taking pictures at the Bean, which took an hour and a half because I'm not even gonna say why it took that long. Honestly, I don't care if people, yeah, it's not her fault. It's just the fact that I'm bad at taking photos, and I don't care if anybody says anything because at the end of the day, I'm just gonna become famous and nobody's ever gonna say any crap about me at the end of the day. Because when I be getting those millions of views, everybody here is gonna be working at their sad jobs, and I'm gonna work a sad job as well, because have you seen YouTubers' lives nowadays? Anyway, bye. I'm leaving. I'm not okay right now. Hi guys, we're back after like 6 hours. No, it's like only been 2 hours, never mind. But guys, we are back and we're in public. But Chicago isn't Chicago without the deep dish pizza. So we're here, about to try it. I'm sorry, I'm just so not in it right now, but it's gonna be good in a little bit. Wait. Hi guys, I'm here taking my dog out for her nightly poo before she goes to bed. So then like the person won't kick us out, and she's a good girl. Anyway, we're just gonna go back inside, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm sorry this vlog's really bad. Like, I'm sorry. Tomorrow's vlog will hopefully be a lot better because I'll be like actually like feeling myself, because just recently I've been feeling myself at all because just people in general, like people just fucking, you know, when people like piss you off and like it just ruins your day. Well, you know what guys, don't listen to them. Fuck them. At the end of the day, they don't matter. Like, if you're having a bad day, like, just because something bad happens doesn't mean it defines your whole day. Like, you can have a good ass day and have something bad happen, and my dog just tickled herself. What the heck? Can you not? What are you doing? What's happening? Oh. Well, okay, also, I know. You don't think I wear boots, huh? Okay, let's not do that anymore. Okay. Yeah, it's getting too late. Good night. Love you all.
Here, give it to me. You ready? Go get it. Good girl.
Okay, I honestly don't know what's up with me and my disgusting angles. But guys, we're back in the city. We were gonna leave today, but we decided to stay for another day, which is good because we didn't want to like have another 9-hour trip to get back. And we only stayed here for like a day and a half. So we're gonna go on a boat ride and we're gonna record that crap and you're gonna like enjoy that. I'm sorry guys for the lack of like how awkward I'm being in these vlogs. I'm just like not used to like, okay, this lighting is terrible, but I'm just not really used to like vlogging in public anymore, and never was to begin with. But we're walking our dog actually, which is kind of cool because she's socially awkward like me, except she kind of like copes with it, unlike me. Here she is. Okay, need to like learn how to vlog properly. And here's the outfit of the day, guys. What every beauty guru does. This is it. God, it's actually really, it's so big and pretty in person. It's like, right now it looks kind of like small, but in person it's huge, guys, trust me. Right now, but okay. Bye.
Minutes, so feel free to check it out. Stairs in the back, bar and washrooms downstairs.
We made it finally to one that actually let dogs on, and she's right here. She wants to leave. But yeah, guys, I'll record a little bit on here. I don't know what I was gonna say. I'm kind of like not. She doesn't even know what's going on. Hi guys, I'm kind of sick right now. We just got done with the boat ride.
Sorry.
You want to just
For that video,
Oh right, okay. So we're doing a separate video too for the Okay, so at the end of this video, they'll be like, she's peeing. Dang. Just like bored when she's peeing. Poor dog. Anyway, there'll be part at the end of this video in which like I showcase this like little edit I'm gonna do and probably post on Instagram. So if you guys don't know my Instagram, it's at HeyI'mJonathan. So check that out. If you don't check it out, then you're lame. Like, what are you doing with your life if you don't even check out the description box, man? I work hard on my descriptions. But yeah, guys, it was actually really good, really fun. Good place to take pictures with all the buildings in the back. That's pretty much why we went, is to take pictures as well as just like learn about cool things. Like at the top of this one building, there's just pure gold. So that's good to know in case you're trying to rob. Anyway, guys, we don't know where we're gonna go. We're probably gonna go get food or something. But we'll be back in a little. My sister went inside. We're at the airport right now. My sister went inside to go pick up her friend or whatever, and she left me alone in the car. And then like the lady just came by and was like, this lady who's like, it was like, oh, I'm sorry, you can't like wait anymore. You can only wait like a minimum of 10 minutes. I'm like, okay, sorry. So I don't know if she's gonna come back or not. I don't even know if she's gonna come back. If she comes back, then I'm be like, I can't drive first of all, so I don't know if this is gonna work out. And like I have social anxiety, and the fact that like I'm like having to wait for my sister and her friend just to get their bags and stuff, like this is so freaking stupid. Like why? And like my dog is just so fed up with everything today. Like, oh, where is she? She's just so fed up. She don't even want to like look at anything. Like, I feel her now. Okay, bye guys. Also guys, I'm so sorry for the ugly ass angles that I always record in. Like I always record like this or like this. Like this is so fucking ugly angles. Like I'm so sorry. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys when like I'm not about to like have a panic attack. Anyway guys, bye.